Hi, I'm Kirstin Fulcher, Special Counsel here at Rafton Family Lawyers. I have extensive estate and equity litigation experience. Society today sees the emergence of quite complex family and business structures, which unfortunately lead to estate and trust disputes. My role is to assist you in navigating through these complex situations to help you achieve the best possible outcomes. Sometimes, after someone passes away, their will doesn't provide any or enough provision for a beneficiary. Certain classes of people, such as family members or other eligible persons, have a statutory right to make a claim against an estate in those circumstances. Now, these claims aren't about whether a will is fair. That's not the legal test. It's about whether a person has been left adequate and proper provision for their advancement, education, and maintenance in life. So, who can make a claim? A husband or wife, or a de facto partner, children, former spouses, and that includes even if you're divorced. Other eligible persons include members of the same household and grandchildren, whether there was some dependency on the deceased person. So why this comes up in disputes? So a will might leave someone out or might not make enough provision for them. Family dynamics may have changed over the years. We see a rise in blended families and complex estate planning situations, which may not include all eligible persons. Someone may have also been left a very small share in an estate despite a long and dependent relationship. So how does the court decide? The legislation sets out a number of matters in which the court looks at. Financial need is the most prominent for an applicant in these matters. The court also considers the obligations of the deceased person and the length and nature of the relationship. The aim is not to make things equal or fair. So some practical tips for you. So if you've been left out of a will, you have to act quickly. In New South Wales, you have 12 months from the date of death to make a family provision claim. You should obtain early legal advice to see whether you are both eligible and have need to commence these proceedings. Early legal advice will ensure that you understand your rights and whether you have a potential claim. Family provision claims are quite common in estate disputes these days. If you think you may have a claim against the estate and you need help navigating through those steps, come and see me at Raftons and we can take those next steps together.